have a bombshell twist in the Bryan Kohberger case. Apparently, not only was his DNA not found in key crucial areas it should be, they found other male DNA, and his lawyer is now saying that Bryan Kohberger has no connection to the Idaho 4. Guys, I'm gonna have a whole lot more on this, so make sure and click the plus sign. It says the unaliving of the 4 University of Idaho students last fall. Attorney Jay Lodson argues there's no connection between Mr. Kohberger and the victims. There is no explanation for the total lack of DNA evidence from the victims in Mr. Kohberger's apartment, office, home, or vehicle. The attorney continues. Bombshell. Lab analysis discovered DNA for another unknown male on a glove found outside the residence on November 20th, 2022, the filing states. To this date, the defense is unaware of what sort of testing, if any, was conducted on these samples other than the STR DNA profiles, according to the filing. The filing challenges the prosecution's reliance on investigative genetic genealogy and opposes the government's attempt to keep its methods secret. The filing, objection to state's motion for protective order, is in response to a recent motion by the prosecution that said Kohberger's DNA collected by a buccal swab was a statistical match to unknown DNA on the knife sheath found at the crime scene. Kohberger's defense argues that they should be entitled to all data relating to the conclusion, including the investigative genetic genealogy used in this case. Kohberger is literally challenging the federal government on how they actually do their DNA analysis, because apparently it's one big secret, considering they have now found new male DNA and they haven't found DNA in his car or in his home, which is actually contradictory to some of the things we've heard about them getting DNA from the trash. Also, they're saying there's no evidence of him being linked to the victims. We have a lot of circumstantial evidence. Him being in their DMs, he going to their work, and then the fact that he was at the crime scene multiple times. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this changes anything? Do you think the case will get thrown out because of this? Sound off in the comments and click the plus sign. I'm going to keep you up to date.